Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add the weather temperature widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, you want to go back to the main settings page, then scroll down and tap on wallpaper. After that, tap on the left image to customize your wallpaper. Then in here, tap on add widgets, or simply just tap on the widget panel here. From the add widgets screen, you want to scroll down and then tap on weather. Next, swipe across until you see say temperature, and then tap on the temperature widget to add it to your widget panel, or you can simply touch and hold it and then drag it to your widget panel. And that's it. If you want to add in other weather widgets, you can swipe across to add in other widgets as well. Otherwise, you can tap on the close button and then tap on the close button, then tap on done. And then after that, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Now we have successfully added the temperature weather widget to your lock screen. You can press on the side key to go to your lock screen and check out the weather widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.